Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Beautiful day, and I get to spend it here at 24681 Outback Trail, just outside of Hermosa, about 15 minutes from Hermosa, about 30 minutes from Custer, and absolutely gorgeous property. 5 acres, no covenants, horses allowed, and more than adequate facilities to house horses. Can be used residentially and live in this beautiful 1.5-story home, or used commercially, and can rent out several of these cabins that they have here on their property. A 16 by 12 cabin, deck, fully furnished, a covered wagon complex with bathhouse, electric, septic, water, the whole hookup, and then a 20 by 10 cabin that is currently being rented out right now for $750 a month. 12 different RV hookup sites, 6 of which are full hookups, water, septic, electric, and then 6 that just have water and electric. Horse pens, some covered, some not. Basement is walkout, obviously has its own entrance, and so they're using that as a rental as well. And I believe they rent that out for approximately $850 a month. Hot tub, gazebo, fire pit with its own gazebo, that would all stay. Let's take a quick peek inside. Feel free to stop by anytime between now and 1 p.m. and take a look for yourself, but if you're unable to, I can give you the tease right now. This is an office, could also be used as a bedroom. Stackable washer dryer stays. Bedroom with walkout to the hot tub area that we were just in. Full bathroom, private bath. Full guest bath as well. Sizable pantry, has great storage options. This is really the crown jewel of the main floor, is this communal living area. Soaring vaulted ceiling, impressive array of windows that stream in lots of natural light. Custom log work there, and this beautiful railing. Custom cabinetry in the kitchen, with a really, really large center island, its own cooktop. Walk out to the deck with amazing views. I mean, so many trees, views of the hills, what everybody's looking for when they want acreage out here in our beautiful Black Hills. Huge loft area that's being used as bedroom, the half bath. Give you a quick peek of the downstairs. Road is part of a road district, but that fee is just calculated in with taxes, so it isn't a separate charge. Dining area with walkout to a lovely patio area with just impressive landscaping all around to the T. Living room space, kitchenette, little center island here, full appliances, which would all stay fully furnished, handicap accessible, 3/4 bathroom, laundry utility room, which also is set up for additional sleeping. Bedroom, king size bed would be staying, and extra deep closet. Second bedroom down here is the fifth one in the house. Houses a queen size bed. could go on and on. This house is amazing. The potential that it has, whether you were seeking just residential or if you wanted to tap into the commercial income that these folks have been expanding upon and doing really well with. We got options for you. So stop on by. If you can't make it, reach out to us if you have any questions or interest, and have a great rest of your day.